Today I am going to review the Dermaco 10% Vitamin C Face Serum. So I hope you guys are interested to watch this video. If you are, then keep on watching. Hi my lovelies, welcome back to my channel, and if this is the first time you're seeing my face, hi, my name is Ipshita. I make beauty, makeup, skincare related content in this channel, and I know it's been a long time that you guys haven't seen me in YouTube. For XYZ reason I was not being able to post videos over here, but I was pretty much active on my Insta. And if you don't follow me in my Instagram account, I'll leave the link down below in the bottom bar. You can head over there because I post there daily, and you can follow me over there if you like my content over there as well. Also, I'll put my Facebook page link as well as all my other social media accounts down below. You can check me out over there. And now let's come to today's video. Today's video will be all about a review video where I'll share my honest thoughts. And one more disclaimer guys, this is a non-sponsored video. Today I'm going to review the Dermaco 10% Vitamin C Face Serum. So I hope you guys are interested to watch this video. If you are, then keep on watching. And one more thing, just before we start the review, I would like to inform you that there will be a slight change in the schedule of me posting videos in YouTube. Instead of on Monday, Wednesday and Friday, I'll be posting now once a week, and it will be on every Sunday. So just to let you guys know that when to expect my video. So yes, without any further ado, let's move forward and jump into the review. So now let's come to the review itself. For your better understanding, what I'll do is I'll divide this video into few parts where I will be talking about this product and those particular parts, so it will be easier for you to understand. And as soon as we are done covering all those parts, I'll come back and share my final thoughts and my pros and cons that I have found using this product. So let's start. So the first point I'll cover is the packaging. So this is how the serum bottle looks like. It's a white glass bottle, which I really like because it will actually save your vitamin C from getting spoiled with sunlight, because obviously you should always store your vitamin C away from sunlight. And anyway, because this glass jar is not transparent, you should always look forward to buy a vitamin C serum or any kind of actives serum or product which does not come in a clear bottle. And yes, preferably with a tinted glass, or if something like this, a opaque white glass does the job by protecting the serum inside it. So first, actually it came with this box. This is the outer packaging. This is the cardboard box where you will find all the details mentioned over here, the product name and all the instruction, as well as the product, their promises, the brand promises, also about how to use them. All the direction are given in this box. So inside the box, as we open it, you will actually find this particular cap. When this serum has arrived, this was the cap which was there, and I had to remove this cap, and the dropper was actually given along with it. Then I replaced this cap with this dropper cap which was given inside this packaging itself. And now let's come to what inside the packaging. I can see there is a user manual or something of that sort. I'll quickly bring it out. Wait a minute. Yeah, so this is the manual they have given, which actually is very convenient in case you are not a skincare enthusiast and are not aware how to go about this application of this product. you can actually follow these 3 simple steps they have given, including some cool pictures. So it's really very convenient for everyone. And also they have given all the main ingredients or key ingredients, what are their benefits which are added in this particular serum over here. So actually that is something I really like. And also they have provided a 15% off on the next purchase. They have provided a barcode which you can scan on your mobile and actually get that particular discount, and which is pretty cool. Who doesn't love some extra discount, right? So this was all about the packaging, outer packaging. I'll come to the actual packaging. So this is how you can see the bottle looks like. So this comes, as I told you, an extra dropper thing. So this is how the dropper works. You can see it's a good quality dropper, nothing fancy about it, and it does the job. And this dropper packaging is something I really like, because I always prefer to use this kind of droppers or pump packaging, because in that way it's way more hygienic. And yes, so that's all about the packaging. Now let's come to our second point. So the quantity that you're getting is 30 ml, and the MRP of this product is 649 rupees. If you actually compare the quantity, keeping the quantity in mind, if you think like that, this particular product, I would say, as per me, it is pretty affordable, because nowadays you can easily have to spend 1,000 rupees for a good quality serum for yourself. And this actually comes around the price of 650 rupees, 1 rupee less than that. But always you can go ahead and grab these for discount. You can add this to your wish list. I have actually got this from Amazon, and if you want to get it, you can head over to any of the online stores. I'll mention few of them where it is actually available down below in the bottom bar. You can check that out. And if you go over there and just wait for any sale, you will actually save, ending up saving more money and getting this for even further discount even after. Also, as I told you, they have also provided a 15 rupees discount code with this package, so which is another good thing. You can actually save whenever you try to buy something else, or whenever you want to repurchase this product if you want to. So this is about this particular products quantity and price. Now let's come to our next point. So I have already noticed that they have mentioned the ingredients over here. So I'll talk about few key ingredients this product has, which is actually very important for you to know. So this product has 10% vitamin C. Okay, and I'll check which vitamin C they have used over here. Alright, they have used ethyl ascorbic acid as a vitamin C over here, as well as there is 5% niacinamide added to this serum, and they also have hyaluronic acid added. So which is a very good combination of ingredients as per me, because I know you guys must be wondering if you guys can actually use niacinamide along with vitamin C together. But I would say, instead of layering those up, if you get a product which has both of them, and obviously in their lab they test all these things, and this particular product claims to be of dermatologically tested as well. So they have tested everything in the lab, and then only they have come up with this serum, which is a stable form of both niacinamide and vitamin C. And as they have already mixed it together from their end by the experts, you don't have to layer it up, and it's way safer as per me. And if you still have any doubt, I won't talk about it in this particular video. I can make another video. Till then, I have actually gone through the video of Jovita George. I don't know if you follow Jovi. She is one of my favorite skincare enthusiast and beauty blogger in India. I follow her account for quite a while now, and she makes amazing videos. She has a video where she talks about the niacinamide, and it can be used with vitamin C. And yes, as per experts nowadays, you can actually use niacinamide with vitamin C. So I think that is a pretty intelligent thing for the Damaco team to bring this particular serum where they have put both of these together, which plus hyaluronic acid, because vitamin C brightens up your skin and niacinamide anyway does all the things for your skin, like making it glow and also trying to improve your skin's texture and by removing the bumps as well as the blemishes. And vitamin C also helps in that because it actually helps to fight with hyperpigmentation, both of these ingredients together. So they have also mentioned, as I already told you, how to use this serum. They have mentioned to use it twice daily actually, but by taking 3 to 5 drops of it on your entire face and neck and massage gently. But if you ask me, I only apply it once, and it's on during the night time skincare routine of mine, because if it has only vitamin C, I would apply it during daytime as well before applying my sunscreen, because after using vitamin C you need to use the sunscreen, guys. Make sure you keep that in mind. Never ever skip sunscreen. Even if you apply this serum during a night time, not during daytime, you have to apply sunscreen on the very next day. So otherwise your skin will become more photosensitive and it will harm your skin, the sun rays. So you have to apply sunscreen if you are including a vitamin C or any kind of actives in your skincare routine. And normally vitamin C actually helps to protect your skin from sun if you top it up with a good sunscreen. But as it has niacinamide in it as well, I try to skip it during daytime. It's not that you will feel anything bad. I have tried using it on during daytime as well, but I prefer using it just once daily, and that's what I have been using all these weeks and I have been doing. Yeah, so I prefer to use it only once daily during the night time, not during daytime. Also they have mentioned you can apply it twice daily, so it's up to you. Always do a patch test and see if your skin is actually being able to take it and you are not allergic to any of the ingredient in it or not. Because you shouldn't be allergic to vitamin C because our skin naturally has vitamin C in it. But yes, still, because this has a lot of ingredients in it, you should always patch test any and every skincare product if you have sensitive skin. You can actually see purging. It did not happen with me, guys, to be very honest, but everyone's skin is different, so you can actually see purging. Try to apply it on alternate days and then increase the amount by putting it on every day, at least once daily. In this manner you can actually incorporate this safely in your skincare routine, and try to give it some time. Sometimes purging happens within the first week, first 1 week. You see that you are getting more breakouts even, and stop using it, then try it once again. If it still happens and if it continues for a month, then you can be sure that this product does not suit you, or it actually goes for any product. And if you see that the purging has stopped and your skin has been able to take it in, then you can continue using it, because purging is totally normal. There is nothing to worry about that. But in case it still remains the breakouts and everything, you can actually stop using it. And in case you see that it's not purging, your skin is not being able to take it, and you have spent your money, I always try to help you guys by give you tips. So as it has vitamins and niacinamide, you can actually apply it on the other areas of your skin. If you have back acne, you can use it on those. It also helps to reduce those blemishes and acne scarring. And if you have like a dark underarm, or you can even apply it on your knees and on your elbows, where the skin is a little bit darker than our rest of the skin, and these areas are not so sensitive, so they can easily take those vitamins and niacinamide and also hyaluronic acid and get the moisture as well as the goodness of this, and it can actually help you brighten those areas. And yes, So you can, in this manner, you can also finish this product in case the product does not suit on your skin, on your face, that is. So what I'll do is I'll show you the consistency as well as the serum itself. So this is how the serum looks. I hope you can see. It's like almost like water but a little bit gel like consistency. This is what a serum looks like, we all know. And if you talk about the consistency, when I apply it on my skin, I just apply it from it matches within 3 to 5 drops I take on my palm, on my clean hand, then I pat it on my face. So what happens is it get absorbed onto the skin very well and it leaves a little tacky finish. Then you can move forward with your moisturizer and you won't feel that tacky finish anymore, because I think, because as this has this particular product has hyaluronic acid, that's where the tacky feeling comes from. But that's something I can deal with, because it's not sticky or oily or heavy on your skin. It's just a little bit, tiny bit tacky, and it actually vanishes away whenever you apply the moisturizer on top of this. But obviously give this some time to sit on your skin, then go forward with your next step of your skincare routine. And yes, that's how the product actually looks like. And as it's a 30 ml bottle, it will actually last you for a long time. And as you don't need a lot of it, only 3 to 5 drops does the job. If you want to apply it on your neck as well, like I do, 5 drops will be enough. As it has a combination of niacinamide and vitamin C, that's a super combo where it actually helps you to fight all the blemishes or the dark spots that you have, or the pigmentation that you have, or the acne scarring that you have. Alright, so as you have seen me, I have been suffering with a lot of acne lately, and those have gone away, thank God, touch wood. But they have left very nasty scars on my, like acne scarring on all of my face. And after using it for 1 or 2 weeks together, I can already I have noticed that a slight change and a slight change is there in my marks, and my marks has become a little bit lighter, which I really like. Obviously skincare is not a magic, it's something you have to be consistent with. So I did not expect it to lighten my marks completely or make them vanish like magic. Now coming to the pros of this product, if you ask me, first pro that I'll say is the percentage of vitamin C in it. Also it has niacinamide and hyaluronic acid, which I really like, that it has a really super combo of these 3 ingredients. And if you ask me to the con, I will say the first con also includes the ingredient itself. I am really happy that they have mentioned all the ingredients over here, but they have not mentioned the percentage of hyaluronic acid included in this serum. So I would really appreciate if they, because hyaluronic acid is also a kind of an active, so we can't actually say that it's not our day-to-day like ingredient. And if they have mentioned the percentage of hyaluronic acid along with niacinamide and vitamin C, so I would really appreciate that. So that's my first con. And now come to my second pro. So the second pro is the product, the quantity that you're getting for the price. I think that's a pro, because 649 rupees, I think it's very affordable if you actually see the ingredient and the performance that this product has. And yes, I know it can be a little steep for some of you guys, and that's totally fine, because affordability is very objective. And you can, as I told you, in case you still want to try it, you can always look for a good sale and grab it on a discount. And now come to the second con that I have for this particular product is they have mentioned that you can use it twice daily, but I don't think, because just think about someone who doesn't ever applied vitamin C on their skin, and if they buy it and they immediately start to apply it twice daily during day and as well as on night time, I don't think their skin, there's a high possibility their skin will not be able to take it, because this has a very high percentage, not very, at least higher percentage of vitamin C serum than the most available in the market. Plus it has niacinamide, so it's possible if the skin are not accustomed with this kind of ingredient, they can actually get breakouts, and in their mind they will think the product is bad. But I don't think the product is bad if it doesn't suit anyone, because all our skins are different. And as I already told you, in case you get this and even after patch testing and using it for a month, if it's still not working, you can actually utilize the money that you have spent for buying this by using this product on your other parts of your body to brighten those areas. So you can actually do that. But I think it's a con. They should have mentioned it. If for someone who is a beginner, they can actually incorporate a higher percentage by using it once a week, then twice a week. Like this, they can actually increase the number of days. Then you can they can use it for alternate days, then they can use it once daily, like eventually increasing the number of days that they can use this serum. I think that would be more smart of the brand. But yes, if you ask me, I really like what I like about the product is, now come to the pro number 3, which is this particular product is dermatologically tested. It is paraben and SLS free. It is sulfate free, paraben free, dye free, mineral oil free. So a lot of it does not have a lot of baddies in it. So I really like that fact. And con number 3 is that this product has fragrance. It actually is not fragrance free. So for me it's not a con, but as I am reviewing it for all of you guys, I am including this in a con, because I know there are a lot of you guys who are allergic to fragrances and they cannot apply something with fragrance on their face. Also, the fragrance is not overpowering. Let me tell this to you guys. If you have applied it or used it, you must be knowing this, because it's a very light fragrance, but it's there. So that's what I meant, and I do not mind it. My skin can take fragrance product, and I actually like my products to be a little fragrance. So it's my personal preference, and as my skin can handle it, so I don't have any anything to say about anything bad to say about it. But it can be bad for few of you guys who are looking for a product which is fragrance free. This is not fragrance free. So this is my con number 3. Now let's come to my pro number 4. Pro number 4 would be packaging. I really like the glass bottle, which is a opaque white color, plus it comes with a dropper. So in terms of saving the product, protecting it from the outer forces like sunlight and everything, this bottle is very secure, and it's a very sturdy glass bottle. Although you should always take care of it, you should not play it with me as I am doing in my hand while talking. I can anytime drop it and I don't know then what will happen. Alright, I was just joking, guys. You can actually I think it's travel friendly. Even after being a glass bottle, I can actually see it's very sturdy, and it has a dropper kind of packaging, which is pretty hygienic. So I really love the packaging. So I don't think they could have done better with the packaging. And also the color combination looks really classy for an Indian brand. And yes, if you just put it on your drawer, it actually looks good on your vanity. So that's what, because how the product looks as well, the outer packaging, everything, it matters. And they have not wasted much of product, much of plastic or much cardboard, I would say, because this is a decent size box they have used. So the packaging is totally A from my end, and this is the pro number 4. Now let me think if I have any more con. I don't think I have any cons. Alright, I don't have any more cons. So cons are only 3 that I could find. Now let's come to the pro number 5. I really like the fact that they have mentioned their complete ingredient list in this product, because nowadays most of the brands, they just mention the key ingredients and they are done with this. And also they have mentioned the exact percentage of the 2 main actives, which I really like. And as I told you, I wish they could have mentioned the hyaluronic acid percentage as well. But let's see if they do it in future. But it's a tip that I want to share with you guys. whenever you are using a vitamin C serum, you can actually keep it inside your cupboard where direct sunlight will not reach. So just keep it in a cool dark place. Don't keep it in a drawer or showcase where it's just covered with glass. So that won't do, because sunlight will actually penetrate through it. Use it in a wooden cupboard or something like that. I actually stored it in my wooden cupboard. Otherwise, if you don't have one, you can actually keep it inside refrigerator. I think that is also is a good idea. So yeah, in that manner you can save this from sunlight. And in case you're using a vitamin C serum and you see that the serum has become a little yellowish, so you will understand that the serum has lost all the goodness and the vitamin C is gone. So you have to stop applying it, because it will not do anything to your skin anymore. And this serum is actually, as I already showed you, is very transparent and water like, so you can actually pretty much see if it has gone bad. It has not happened with me ever, but still I wanted to put this note to you guys in case it helps you guys. So that's my total complete in-depth review on this product, where I could see there is a lot more pros are there, instead of, if you compare it with the 3 cons that I shared. That too, though those cons are not like very big cons, and if you ask me, if I compare the pros with cons, I think you can actually go forward and have this product and actually buy this product up, in case if you tried vitamin C serum previously and your skin is accustomed with it. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end, guys. I really appreciate that. And if you enjoy watching this video and this particular review was helpful to you, please take a moment and subscribe to my channel, guys. You will find the red subscribe button down below. Click on it and make that button grey, and there will be a bell icon right next to the subscribe button. Click on the bell, select all, so that you will get all the notifications every time I upload a video like this. And as I told you already, I have already posted all the links of few of the related videos, which are another few of the other products reviews, down below in the bottom part as well as in the eye icon. So as soon as you're done watching this video, you can head over there and check those videos out, and few of the videos will appear on the screen as well towards the end of this video, and you can directly watch those videos in case you find those interesting. And yes, if you don't follow me in my other social media accounts, I have already left all the links down below in my bottom bar. You can head over there and follow me in my Twitter, Insta and my Facebook page, and this is my Insta handle. If you want, you can directly head over to your Insta and search this handle and you will find me over there. There also I review few of the other products which I have not reviewed over here, so you can go over there and check out those short and crisp reviews. And yes, if you have any future video suggestion or any suggestion that you want me to post on my other social media accounts as well, please go ahead and connect with me over those social media accounts, or you can comment down below in this video. I would love to make those videos for you guys. And yes, you can also share your feedback about my channel in general and also about this particular video. I would love to hear out whatever your thoughts are on this video or on about my channel in general. And yes, I know I have not been able to post YouTube videos for quite a while now, but all these months where I have not posted any videos, I have utilized the time very wisely, and I have actually tried and tested out a lot of skincare during those months. And trust me guys, when I say a lot, I mean a lot. So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you next week on next Sunday, and I'll come back with another very interesting product review. I know you guys will love that, and stay tuned for that. Until then, you all stay safe, take care and keep supporting me. Thank you so much guys. I'll see you next week. Bye bye. Mwah.